Every day in this country, 10,000 Americans, members of the baby boom generation, turn 65, the traditional retirement age. And in something of a new development, some members of this generation have decided it would be a good time to add to their families. Our report tonight from NBC's Chris Jansen.
We're so cute. So young.
The Woodfork family story is chronicled in photos. A 43-year marriage, 3 children, now grown. And the latest chapter, written when Ann and Nelson were both 65 and approaching retirement. They adopted a 17-year-old.
And did people think you were nuts?
Totally.
It wasn't an empty nest that motivated them, but the idea that someone like Shakoran Adams would soon age out of a lifetime of foster care.
If I didn't become adopted, I would have been on the street as an 18-year-old. I would be considered as an adult, and I would have nowhere to go.
The Woodforks' bold decision gave Shakoran a home.
I wake up into the wow, like this is where I live.
And you get up and the mom and a dad and a home and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, it's amazing.
While no one tracks exact numbers, experts say more older adults are adopting, often older kids.
People are getting married later, they're having children later. The reality is that there's a big gap between parents' age and children's age in a lot of families today.
And the need is great. In the most recent government study, 104,000 foster children were waiting for adoption. Boomers can help fill that gap. They're staying healthier, living longer, and have the time and means. But do they have the energy?
It's not like chasing a toddler.
Yeah, in some ways he's kept me young. He's kept me on my toes. I have to think about things that I wasn't thinking about.
He looks really nice.
This week, Shakoran has both his prom and a day he never expected to see, high school graduation.
So psyched. I'm so happy. Like I don't even know how to explain it.
And one more thing Shakoran never dreamed. Graduation will be a family affair.
Our adult kids are all coming home for it, and they're excited about it.
The same kids that thought we were crazy.
Yeah.
A new kind of family, redefining the sunset years. Chris Jansen, NBC News, Swampscott, Massachusetts.